Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16, and I'll show you how to change edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the to the notification panel right there, and now just tap here on the edit icon. As can you see here, we got on this up section all our available icons on notification panel, and here we got these in here their icons. They are visible on our notification panel in our top bar, and these icons we can add to the notification panel. How to do that? Just you should hold for a while one from the applications that you wanted and drag it here to the this visible area. For example, we also can add here the screenshot icon, and for example the Google Assistant icon. Just hold the icon and drag it here to the subsection. And now if you will go back, you can see the changes here that we just successfully added here, the new icons. And by the same way, if you want to just remove some icons from your top bar, hold for a while icon and drag it here to this down area. By this way, hold and drag it here. And also to save the changes, you should just go back. And if you want to just change the positions of the icons, for example, the Wi-Fi will stay the first icon, the second one you want it to be the flashlight, just hold it for a while and drag it here. Then the third one will be just the Bluetooth icon, and the next, for example, the screen recording. Just hold each of icons and drag it to the position where you want to adjust it at. And then just to save the changes, you should go back, and as can you see, here we get all our changes, the new icons, and that's how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.